On today's video, my 2007 M6 convertible with 57,000 miles. We get an oil change, and that noise that I was concerned about, we figure it out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me, showing the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. This is episode number 3 on my 2007 M6. It's going to be a mini series. The first video was me buying the car. The second one was repairing the driver's seat bolster. That was an easy fix. Today's video, oil change, and I found that obnoxious, concerning, worrying rattle noise that kept me up for about 3 days. We're gonna get to that in a couple seconds. So a real quick recap. Last year, my friend Dave at European Auto Solutions bought this, serviced it, sold it to a customer. Unfortunately, this customer has cancer and his wife does not like the SMG transmission. So they put it up for sale. I was able to get it, and we're doing a mini series on it. So we're gonna take it up to my other friend's shop up in Manchester, New Hampshire, Junior Speed and Tire, and we'll get the oil change and check out what that noise is. So let's take a look. Holy shit.
What a treat. Look at that.
Ah,
Falls right out.
look at this fucking thing. See anything, bud?
No. I do not. It's a healthy filter. I'll cut it open.
Okay.
Seems healthy though. So you're pretty good. Yeah, it's fresh.
Nice.
Rick, work over at Junior Speed and Tire. Mike came in today with concerns on his BMW M6 for a rattle, some oil change. Checked the oil, clean oil, found a loose heat shield on the passenger side, and sent him on his way.
All right, thank God. I spent many days and nights worrying about this. It was just a heat shield. As you guys know, a V10 is a high maintenance engine. There's many things that can go wrong with it. As you can see, we opened up the oil filter, that was clean, and no weird engine noises. We're gonna do the door. There was some scratches, so I'm taking that to a detail shop next Friday. I get a fresh set of tires coming in. I get some floor mats, hopefully that are coming in soon as well. The AC doesn't work either, so I'll have to check that out. So on my last video, after everything's said and done, I'll do a pros and cons, what to look out for buying one of these vehicles. I have an awesome 360 X4 camera that gets amazing shots. I get the drone, so I'll make a really nice video for the last video of this series. Other car videos coming up. I gotta do my 2012 BMW X5 diesel that's tuned. I have to put the emergency brake in. It is electric. So that will be a video coming up eventually. I've been saying this for quite a while, but hopefully soon. And I am looking for more cars to buy, and as always, I will post them up. I also do travel videos throughout New England, so stay tuned for that. And I talk about life experiences that I go through. I'm very relatable to a lot of people and what I've been through. As always, I want to thank my friend Kevin for helping me out, and to Rick for finding that heat shield. You don't know how much I was sweating that out. What a sigh of relief from that. Whew. All right, guys, until the next video, Baldadonis out.